Hello guys, the name is Ben, and recently I've been getting messages from friends asking me about what cryptocurrency is, what Bitcoin is, and a whole lot, right? So to address all of them at the same time, I decided to create this video series where I'll be talking about cryptocurrency from the scratch. Of course, with the little knowledge that I have in the crypto space.
No shit.
Right, so what is cryptocurrency? Crypto is more like a digital money that exists only online, but it can be traded for traditional money. It can be exchanged for our local currencies, right?
Nice.
Crypto is powered by what we call the blockchain technology, which is like a public ledger that tracks all crypto transactions.
Damn!
Don't stress your brain, my guy. I'll talk more about blockchain in the next video. Right, so the first and the most popular cryptocurrency out there is the Bitcoin, and was created by a man called Satoshi Nakamoto in the year 2008. Well, aside Bitcoin, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there, and they are classified as altcoins. In other words, alternative coins, meaning they are alternative option to Bitcoin. I hope that is clear. Right, so some of these altcoins are Ethereum, Solana, and Sei. Right, so unlike our local currencies, alright, crypto is not controlled by banks or governments. Alright, it is decentralized. Yeah, so I'll end here, and big ups for watching. And if you are curious to learn more, just log in on this page, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.